Hi everybody. It's been a while since I did any videos. I figured it's a good time to catch you up on what's going on. Uh, Still in Ehrenburg. We're just putting some finishing touches on Aaron's boss. I haven't been keeping up. I lost some footage and I got a little not so hot. It's not the plague, but it turns out I'm allergic to something out here in the desert. Who knew? I'd never been here during the spring. Well, what passes for spring in the desert. But anyway, so I'll try to catch you up on a few of the videos, what I can recover, and hopefully we will do a tour of Aaron's bus, things that we've done, and it's livable. As everybody knows, schoolies are never finished, but it's all little finishing touches along the way that got to get done. Like the last thing you put in is the floor and the trim, but power, water, and heat, and hot water. So, and the propane so they can cook. So basically, it's now a livable tiny house. Let's see what's else going on. Well, of course, you know, like I said, with the coronavirus going around, this has sort of been great. We're all been together here since January. Same people, and we don't get out a whole lot to town. When we do, we take every precaution. But it is, I don't think it's today, but sometime tomorrow, we're supposed to get up over 100 degrees. And I think the last forecast I saw over the next week, we're supposed to hit 103 and 105. That is not temperatures I really want to deal with. And basically, because we're that far done, we're just taking it easy, doing little things here and there. And I plan on being out of here around the 1st of May. Where I'm going to go, I don't know. I'm probably going to head up into Utah, visit my son, and then figure out where from there. We'll see how things go, whether it gets nice enough to, or things clear up enough that I can get up into Michigan for a gathering up there, maybe the one in Indiana. I think they overlap by a couple days, so I got to figure that one out, if they're still going to happen. But I have this feeling I'm going to be in the West this year and not get back east. So we'll see. I'm really looking forward to getting back on the road and getting back to the regular videos of interesting places. Not all of the places that I've ever gone to are official museums and, you know, places that may be closed or probably are closed right now. So I'm going to look at all that, and I'm going to stay safe, but I will try to get back to finding some of the interesting places. I've been in Arizona for 6 months. Longest I've been in any one state in 3.5 years. So that's pretty much what's coming up. But while I was here and not spending money on fuel, I've been able to afford to do a few upgrades. As you can see from the intro, I do have a drone now. I got a mini Mavic. I'm still learning all the things you can do with it, and this is a great place for me to practice with it because there's really no trees for me to run into. So I've got that. I also have I've been shooting all my videos with a GoPro 3 that I bought 5 years ago. I like it, especially after I upgraded it with that better microphone for wind noise. And that's what's that one over here. That's what I've been filming with. Now one over here, that I've been talking to is a GoPro 8. A little trickier, a lot more features. Tends to be bigger files, which means my computer's a little slow. So I'm thinking I need to maybe upgrade my laptop into something that will handle the editing process. Right now, it's pictures a little jerky. Again, I'm still getting used to that camera, so we'll see how that goes. If anybody's got suggestions on a better laptop for me to do editing on, editing programs that don't cost a small fortune. The one that I looked at, was thinking about buying, was the Adobe one, but turns out you don't buy it anymore, you rent it by the month. Now, I'm not doing that. I want to be able to buy a program and use it. So if you've got any suggestions, put them down in the link below, in the comments, sorry, and that'll help me out a little bit. Now, another thing I've been thinking about doing, if you look back to my welcome to my channel video that I made when I've been on the road about 4 months, and my beard was about that long, something like that. I'm thinking about going back to that. It gets a little weird wearing a mask and having all this hanging out the bottom, and it getting caught in seat belts and stuff. I like the long beard, but I'm thinking of going back to that look. So in the comments, let me know, what do you think? Should I trim the beard a little short? I'm still keeping it. I'm not shaving it all off, because once you shave, you got to keep shaving. And I don't really want to get into doing all that, especially with having to heat up cold water. Yeah, whatever. So let me know. Value your comment or your suggestions. That's about it. If you've got any questions you'd like me to answer, I'm more than happy to sit down and do a question and answer type of thing. I know like Wanderboom, they're doing that. There's a couple other people are doing, they're sheltering in place and just keeping people updated, answering questions. Be more than happy to do that if there's an interest for that. Yeah, I think that's about it for now, and I will see y'all later, and hopefully be back on the road soon and finding interesting and strange places to share with you. All right, see you later, YouTube. Oh yeah, you guys too.